So let me show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard on a Samsung Galaxy A27. Now this is very simple. First thing you need to do is go into settings. Let's go back to the main settings page. So under settings, you simply want to go to the top of the settings page, tap on connections, and then go to Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices. Now the next thing is to put your Bluetooth keyboard in pairing mode. Now depending on what brand of Bluetooth keyboard you have, might be a different process to put it in pairing mode. Now for this one, all I have to do is long press on this button, or maybe just press it once on this Logitech keyboard. These are Logitech K250, and you can tell it's in Bluetooth pairing mode because it's going to be blinking rapidly. Now, when I scan, I should see my Logitech K250 or whatever brand of Bluetooth keyboard you have. Tap on it to connect. Now let's enter this pairing number. So 834783, just like that, and then hit enter. All right, so that didn't work. So let's try again. 834. Oh, there you go. It connected. So there you go. We are now connected. And now, anytime I need to type something, I can either use the onboard keyboard or I can use the Bluetooth keyboard to type. Thanks for watching. Good luck.